This Qualitex Bumblebee is such a popular balloon at the moment, but if you've not inflated a balloon like this before, there are a couple of little things that you need to be aware of. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. So first of all, I always open the packaging by hand. I don't use scissors. I once made the mistake of using scissors to open the foil balloon packaging and I accidentally cut through the foil balloon. So you only need to do that once and you are forever educated of the pitfalls of doing that. And so I'm trying to share my experiences with you so you don't make the mistakes. Some of these things I've learned the hard way and I'm trying to help you avoid those sort of pitfalls. So there's this really lovely foil balloon. And we are looking for this little silver disc here, and that is the valve that we want. I've got a hand pump. I'm just going to insert the nozzle here and inflate. Try and find the opening. Sometimes on the Qualitex balloons it can be tricky to find the valve opening, so if you have a straw, that can help you just find the opening, and there it is, and it just opens it up. And you'll be able to inflate that now. So take your hand pump, just insert into the valve and inflate. So you can see at this point, the body of the bee is starting to look inflated, but the rest of it isn't. This balloon is made up of separate chambers, and so we need to transfer the air from the body into the different chambers of the balloon just by lightly pressing. Just apply some pressure to the body and that will open up those chambers, and then we can continue inflating. So each time the body starts to look a little bit full, just press on the body and then continue to inflate. So at this point you want to be going quite slowly because we are almost at the point of being fully inflated. And I just want to check a few things. That still feels a little bit soft to me, just very slightly. So I think I just need to put a fraction more air in. You don't want to go and inflate too much because if you do, you will pop the balloon. So the test I apply to see whether the balloon is fully inflated, so I just walk my fingers along the edge of the seam and the balloon, it feels nice and full and the balloon springs back into position. While you're here, be sure to pop the like button. That's what we say on the channel. Please pop the like button. I really appreciate it. So if you've watched to the end of the video, you get my bonus tip, and that is whenever you're filling your balloons, whether it's with air or with helium, pay attention to your climate. What is the weather like where you are? Is your climate hot? Is it on the cool side? Because the gas inside your foil balloon, or in fact with any balloons, will react to changes in temperature. So if you're somewhere that is very, very hot, then you're going to want to slightly underinflate this balloon because the gas will expand in the warm weather, whether it's air or whether it's helium that you're using. And if you are in a cooler climate, then you can expect that when you go outside with your balloons, they might shrink a little bit because the gas inside is shrinking and the balloons might appear a little bit deflated. But then when you bring them indoors into the warm, they will perk up and the gas molecules will expand. So I will see you again in the next video.